Alright, we're going to do a quick rundown of how to season your mild steel plates. As you can see here, we've got one that's gone through one coat already, so it's got a nice golden colour. Got our oven preset to 230 degrees Celsius. We're using vegetable oil, so we just want a little bit. Want something with a high smoke point. Grapeseed oil is apparently a very good option, so that's probably a little bit too much. But what you want to do is you want to spread that out. So there's a very, very, very thin coat. I'll put some over on this one. I just want a very, it's probably still a little bit too much. So I might wipe some of that off onto this one here. You basically want to almost not tell it's on there. So we've just skipped ahead and done the backside too. Just grabbing a dry piece of toweling and wiping off any excess just lightly. You really want there to be a very light coat. I'll show you what happens when it's not. So if you look at the back side of this one, you get a lot of splotching when it's not a super thin coat. This will be the back side of the grill anyway, so I'm not too fussed about it. But this is what happens when you make it a very nice coat, nice thin coat. You get a nice even golden colour. What you want to do is just throw that in the oven, just like that. And like that. You can put a tray underneath if you're worried about dripping. Set a timer for an hour and it should be good to go. Alright, it's been about an hour and a half. We had flicked off the oven at an hour mark and we've given it half an hour to cool down a little bit. You can see, come up pretty good. Fairly even coating. Potentially do it a third time, but that's up to you. But they're ready to cook on. Thank you for watching.